Hello and welcome back to Crypto Cobra. I just came back from holiday and I'm starting to create videos again. I created one short video on the beach that you might have seen, and in this video talk about 5 crypto mistakes that cost me thousands, so you can learn from my past mistakes. I've been in crypto for a very long time, enough time to make money and lose it just as fast. And trust me, some of my mistakes cost me thousands. Today I'm going to reveal the 5 biggest screw-ups I've made so you don't have to repeat them. These are the mistakes that keep traders broke and the lessons that can turn it all around. Mistake number 1, FOMO buying. Number 1, FOMO buying. You see a coin pumping 200% in 24 hours, Twitter screaming, moon mission, and your brain says, this is my ticket to the Lambos. Wrong. By the time the retail investors like us hear about it, whales are already selling into the hype. I once jumped into a meme coin at its peak, watched it drop 70% in 2 hours. That was $2,300 lesson in patience. Mistake number 2. Number 2, over leveraging. I got greedy on Binance once, or Bybit, with 50x leverage on Bitcoin. I was sure it was going to go up. Guess what? It dipped 1.5%. My entire position liquidated instantly. That 1,500 loss still stings. So the lesson, leverage isn't evil, but you better know your stop loss levels and never risk more than you're prepared to lose, okay? So I'm always saying this, even when I create Pepe videos, have a stop loss, and if it reaches that stop loss, leave. Okay, that's just my personal opinions. Mistake number 3. Number 3, ignoring fundamentals. I once bought into a token just because it had hype on TikTok and X. No white paper read, no roadmap checked. 3 weeks later, rug pulled, gone. Not even a good meme to remember it by. From then on, I only touch projects that I've researched, team, use cases, tokenomics. If the fundamentals are trash, the hype won't save it. Mistake number 4, not taking profits. I once turned $1,000 into $7,000 with a micro cap gem, and I thought, why stop now? Well, it dropped back to $800. That's not a loss, that's a robbery I let happen. So always take profits. Are you up 10x? Out, next coin. Now I always set profit targets. Take out your initial investment early and let the rest ride. You can't go broke taking profits. And finally, number 5, following the wrong people. I used to blindly follow every influencer who called a hidden gem. Turns out half of them were either paid to chill the projects, they dump on their audience later, or they actually created the freaking coin, pumped it up, went out. Solution: build your own conviction, listen to others, sure, but always double check the data. Don't let someone else's bag become your problem. These 5 mistakes cost me thousands, but they also taught me a lesson that made me a better trader. If you're serious about making money in crypto, learn from my pain and avoid these traps. Smash that like button so more people can dodge these mistakes. Subscribe for more no BS crypto content, and drop a comment below with your worst crypto mistake. I might feature it in my next video. Have a great day. Take care.